NILED is a leading expert in the design of the low-voltage aerial bundled cable (LVABC) and line construction hardware. We are the main initiators of introducing the LVABC technology in Russia. LVABC lines built with the branded NILED and VK hardware have minimal repair and maintenance costs. NILED products have been successfully applied in Russia since 1997, while VK has been around since 2005. Both brands have enjoyed positive feedback from most of the subsidiaries and affiliates of PAO Rossetti and other electric utilities in Russia. We offer our clients a wide range of NILED and VK branded line construction hardware on different price levels. Both brands have been certified by PAO Rossetti. The NILED line construction hardware meets both Europe's Senelec standards and technical specifications of other big electric utilities in Europe and the Russian Federation. A complete product range of line construction hardware fitting all LVC systems, as well as a standard assembly toolkit. NILED produces the LVABC hardware in Russia in its own plant in the city of Podolsk. The factory has introduced the 5S sparing production system. This is a factory management system that helps cut losses and raise effectiveness of production. These shops have been tested and commissioned so far: a plastic injection molding shop, a metal working shop, automated conveyor line for assembly of insulation piercing connectors. NILED's main products are produced from the Russian and European components. Besides, we have fully localized the manufacturing of the products of the other brand, VK. An accredited testing lab, Armenergotest, conducts mechanical and electric tests of the NILED and VK branded products for quality control. The lab also provides commercial services in mechanical and electrical testing of products and materials within the scope of its accreditation, including testing of the quality of electrical contacts, power lines, aeolian vibration and galloping resistance, and corrosion resistance. NILED owns the biggest warehouse of the LVABC hardware in Russia, located in Podolsk, as well as the extensive network of regional offices in Russia and Kazakhstan. Technical training of the installation and operating company specialists in our classrooms, as well as on the client's territory. NILED offers technical support to projects and provides commercial services in the design of external power supply by means of the proprietary LEP Pro software for power line design. Together with PAO Rossetti, standard projects and flowcharts of construction and repair of LVABC2, LVABC3, LVABC4 have been developed and recommended for use. NILED's customer care is available 24/7. Our goal is to improve reliability and security of power distribution networks, design and production of the line construction hardware, and LVABC that has minimal repair and maintenance costs for 40 years. Beware of counterfeits. Purchase the line construction hardware and tools directly from NILED or our official dealers. We invite you to attend our plant in Podolsk and familiarize yourself with the production tests to meet the declared technical specification and complete technical training.